Hi, Jay Lane here. Today I'm going to be talking about creating an email signature. I'm sure at some point you've received an email from someone else where at the bottom of the email they had their name, phone number, maybe title, company name, address, links to their social media icons, and that's called an email signature. And basically you can set it up so that anytime you send a reply to an email, that your information is included at the bottom. And it's great because it includes all of your contact information if someone needs it. Also links to your icon, your social media profiles and pages. And then also you can use it to promote anything else that you have going on, subscribing to your email newsletter, thoughts of the day, things like that. So in today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to do that. First thing I want to do is I want to show you an example of an email signature, and I'll show you mine. And you'll see when I click new here to create a new email message that it's going to have a close here, has my name, title, company name, a couple of different phone numbers, my website address, but then it has links to all of my social media icons. So if someone clicks on this LinkedIn icon, then it takes them directly to my page on LinkedIn. And then also down here at the bottom, I have a promo for my monthly email newsletter, and this link will take take potential subscribers right to my opt-in page where someone can sign up to receive the email newsletter. And when you think about how many people you email on a daily basis, an email signature really is a great way to promote a variety of different things. So the first thing is, how are we going to actually create those? And or how do we create an email signature? So let's jump right in. Let me show you how to do that. In Microsoft Outlook, you're going to click on, this is Outlook 2007. We're going to click on Tools, and then we're going to go down to Options. And then from Options on this menu, there's a tab up at the top, Mail Format. We're going to click on that. And then down here near the bottom is a Signatures area, and we're going to create the Signatures button. And you'll see here that I have a default signature that I've already set up, and I just called it J. I know it's real original. And then I have new messages and replies and forwards. And if I wanted to, I could set up different signatures for any new message I create versus just replying or forwarding an email message. I choose to just have it where it stays the same all the time, but for some reason you could decide not to. The best thing I found is leave the signature in there, and then if you decide you don't want to include it, you can just select it and delete it, before you send the email. So we're going to create a new signature, and I'm just going to call this test. I'm going to click OK, and then you're going to see here that it's basically just going to be a blank slate. So let's just make this a really simple example here. I'm going to type my name, maybe my company name, and then let's put in a phone number. And then I want to, let's say that I want to include some social media icons, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, maybe even a link to my blog, to my RSS feed. You can do that, and I'm gonna give you a link here in a second where you can go to download these. But here are some examples of four that I'm going to use for this particular example. And you see that I have a Facebook icon, LinkedIn, RSS, and Twitter. And you see the number 32 there. Those are all it's 32. They're 32 pixel wide images. And I got these from noop.nl, and again I'll flash that link up here in just a second. And you can go download those. Now in this, they all came as PNGs, which is just a file format, and I actually converted them to JPEGs using Photoshop, just because I found that when I put them into Microsoft Outlook, that they seem to work the way I want them to. So anyway, that's just something for you to do. But there's everything on this website, and again, I'll have a link in just a second. So anyway, going back to, I'm going to get rid of this box. So going back to my box here. You're going to see, let's say I want to put those four icons across the bottom right here. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on the picture button, and when I click that, it happens to bring up the folder that I wanted. But save these on your desktop, put them wherever you want to. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select all of them, and then you'll see when I click insert, it actually drops all of them in. And just as an example, let's say I want this Facebook icon to link to my Facebook page, my company Facebook page. I could click on this insert hyperlink button, and then down at the bottom, the address, I'm going to put it in, and it's facebook.com/jlanemedia. And then I'm going to say OK. And then I would repeat that process for the rest of these icons, and they'll all link to the appropriate place. And then let's just say that I want to promote an email newsletter here. I'll say, please sign up to receive my monthly e-newsletter at jlane.com DIY. And then that's it. Basically, my signature is now created. I'll say I'll say OK. And actually, I need to do one more thing here. Just for the example here, let's say I want to make this so that all my new messages and all my replies use this particular example. I'll say OK. Say OK again. And then now, when I click New, I have my email signature. And again, I can go back and customize this any way I want. I can go back to Outlook here. I can go back to Tools, to Options, to Mail Format, back to Signatures. And then I click on the signature I want to edit. And then let's say that I want all of this text to be Arial. I can just click on this little drop down here, say Arial, and there we go. If I want to bold my company name, I can do that. I can say OK, OK again, and then you'll now see that everything's updated. And that's pretty much it. Good luck. Have a great day.